I mean, 100% raccoon hat. The weather has dropped below 40 degrees down here in Texas. It is raccoon hat season, everybody. Put your raccoon hats on, everyone. It's getting cold out. Alright folks, welcome back to Jimmy's Used Car Parts here. Where good enough for Jimmy's good enough for you. You need a Suburban, turn something, here, mirror. It's a mirror. You need a fan? We got some fans. What else do we got? We got a drive shaft safety hoop. For you guys to take safety serious, we need to get this in touch with you. You just comment below and I'll get it shipped out as fast as I can. You need, let's see, how do you flip the camera around on this thing? How do you flip the... All right, where was I, everybody? We got LS flex plates. We got a tool with no charger. Oh, maybe it'll be charged when it's hot outside, but not when it's cold. How about a Magnafuel 750 that needs to be rebuilt? How about an old alternator? What else we got? We got switch panels of all sorts. Whatever this one is, we got this one. Hey, we got one of these. You know these. Best in the... Never mind. Worst. Here you go, folks. How about this? Force Induction C4 125AR S485 Turbo. It's good enough for Jimmy. Oh. Yeah, it's good enough for Jimmy. It's good enough for Jimmy. It's good enough for you, folks. Folks, I'm down here on the sales floor, but something just crossed my mind, man. I gotta know. Why did we send old man Bill to a two-stage plate if he ain't gonna use two stages, man? I need to see two stages, Bill. What are we doing? We're just gonna drive around the country and use one stage? I mean, it's cool. It did make 175 for on a 150 shot. I'm cool with that. I ain't mad, but we got two stages, dude. Man, put your damn raccoon hat on. Go out there, get you some race gas, and spray both stages. Man. We got what you need down here at Jimmy's Used Car Parts. Was good enough for Jimmy's good enough for you, baby. Don't forget it, folks. If it's good enough for Jimmy, it's good enough for you. Get your springs here, folks. We got 12 125s. We got 14 175s. For you G-body boys. G-body boys. We got some G-body springs. Hey, my Miata homies. We got Miata lowering kit. I know you want to lower your Miata. You look way cooler. It's good enough for Jimmy. It's good enough for you. All right, folks, y'all have heard of the Butthurt bar, but let me give you the Jimmy stick. What you think about that? Gonna put your weight all the way out here, 50, 100, 200, 1,000 pounds, put it on the back, hope it doesn't drive the car for you, and let her eat, son. Anybody looking to buy a Jimmy stick, hit the comments below. Goes right in your parachute mount. Get you a Jimmy stick. They're only a few $100. You know, but help me get another anchor for my lift over there. So get you a Jimmy stick. I'll put them on the website. I'll probably have to figure that shit out. Look, you want your very own Jimmy stick? Just comment below. Get you a Jimmy stick soon to stores around the nation. It's good enough for Jimmy. It's good enough for you. Move fast over here at Jimmy's Garage. Look, the Gen 2 Jimmy stick for when you don't need a lot, just a little. Extreme situations. We're going to come out with a sleeve soon so you can pair your Jimmy sticks up for the big one. The big stick, Big Jim. We'll call it the Big Jim, the big sausage. Whew. Boy, look at that. The Jimmy stick. All right. I'm going to tell you the story of Mitch Miller. Here you go. So it was about last year sometime, and a buddy of mine, Mike Pena, decided he's going to do a waffle. He waffled off a Mustang coupe. I bought me a spot. Then he had one of them minis. Bought some minis. Next thing you know, I won the car, man. We won it. Can't believe it. Won a car on a waffle. Went and got the car. Came home. I don't even think I drove it one time. My old lady decided she had to have it. She woke me up and said, "Hey, I'm taking the Mustang. I'm taking the Mustang to Walmart." I said, "Yeah, that's cool. Go for it." She came home. She said, "I think I'm going to keep driving the Mustang." Okay, that's cool. And a few weeks went by. I said, "What are you going to do with your Camaro?" She said, "Oh, you can have it." All right. Well, I ain't going to do nothing with a Camaro. But it was about 110 degrees around then. And my buddy Mitch Miller decided he had to have him something with AC. And old Mitch Miller had a Mustang he had been working on. And he didn't know it, but he was about to give it up to me. I started working on Mitch Miller that weekend at the racetrack. And by Monday, he was in my front yard. Camaro loaded up, Mustang unloaded, and is on his way home. So far, I've been 720s in the car. It's got the cleanest interior any car I've ever owned. Icy as can be, boys. It's got a 6-liter, turbo 350, and a crossbar plate. What more could you ask for? We even decided to name it Mitchell Miller after the guy we bought it from. Look at this crazy guy.